I've lost over 200 pounds and I need some groceries and I'm at Kroger. So let's go in and see what we can find. Well, I'll be danged. Look at this. Low carb Hawaiian dinner rolls. We definitely got to get some of these. This is my favorite ranch. I like to get this. It is only 50 calories for 2 tablespoons. Great flavor. And looky there, Bloom Energy drinks. They got cherry lime here, strawberry, watermelon, and that one is one of my mom's favorites. It's really good. This is my favorite bread to get, the Hawaiian one, but I only like it with certain things. Sometimes I like to make a low-carb peanut butter and jelly, so I prefer to use the honey keto one. And I'm not getting any of these, but Mom found some keto bagel thins. Let's check the macros. This is 80 calories per bagel, 9 grams of protein, and it looks about 2 net carbs. I like getting these big burrito size low carb tortillas. And I also always get these mini 0 carb tortillas also. I make a lot of things with these. Always keep this in stock. 0 calories and it's really good with boiled eggs. Just try it. I always stock up on the turkey pepperoni. I use it for a lot of things. Has anybody tried this? It's a lower cal pasta. 50% fewer calories. Pastabilities. 100 calories and 12 grams net carbs. I'm thinking about trying it. They had another shape too. They had Ruffles. Which one? Penne or Ruffles or both of them? It's on sale. Maybe both. Do you like the Prego no sugar added? Sometimes I find it hard to find though. Rao's. Y'all know I can't say it. It's pretty good too. I could really go for a low sugar brownie right now. So I'm going to try this out. And how about a keto cake with some 0 sugar chocolate fudge icing? I can confirm these are delicious. Kind of expensive though, but worth it if you ask me if you want Oreo. The high key ones aren't bad and the macros are better. Look at all these 0 sugar cookies that Voortman Bakery has. It's insane. These oatmeal are so delicious. I love them. These fudge stripe ones, so good. All the wafers are really good as well. I haven't had this yet. Or these. Let me know if you have. I think I am going to go ahead and get the chocolate chip ones. And for reference, they're 80 calories a cookie. Not too shabby. Quest crackers are always really good. Great source of protein. I see that High Key has some almond flour crackers here. It looks like they have a cheddar one as well. Haven't had those yet. But look what I just found. Pizza Crisp. Tomato, basil, and pepperoni. I think we need the pepperoni. I think I may head and go grab some of these. I can throw these on a salad for some crunch. Honestly, this is something I eat a lot, so I keep it on hand. It has 0 calories. It adds great flavor to salads, wraps, anything you want, honestly. If you can get your hands on these, you are lucky, and today is my lucky day. So I'm going to get some of those. I also love the Southwest style. I think I'll give me a couple of those because they're 2 for $3. And I know this might sound weird, but this was actually really good on a low carb tortilla with some cheese. And then I actually had the taco style one too. It was really good. And I haven't had this one yet, but these ones are beef. I know. Just trust me. It was good if you're going to pinch. And I also picked up some tuna because I've just been craving tuna salad, and I got some salmon too. I see these chips every time I'm here, and I think I'm going to try them this time. Hopefully I'm not disappointed because they're kind of expensive, like $7 for this stinking bag. You know, I got to get my girl a Daisy. It's my favorite. Don't judge me. I don't like to boil my own eggs. And I don't have the egg ick right now, surprisingly, so I'm going to get some eggs. And I'm going to get a couple flavored yogurts. You can add some frozen fruit to these. It's really good. I had this the other day, and it was really good. I think I'm going to grab another one. Quick tip for you. If you have trouble finding the real good chicken nuggets and chicken strips, which I do, these are a good alternative. They're just lightly breaded chicken chunks, 150 calories for 3 ounces, and it looks like 6 net carbs, 15 grams of protein. I find that the macros are better than the Just Bare stuff. Lazy like me and like quick and easy things. Look, some grilled fajita chicken breast strips. You can pair this with some peppers and onions, and you're good to go. I'm going to get some frozen blueberries for the yogurt. I love adding this to anything breakfasty, like some low carb breakfast burritos. It's so good, but it is hard to find sometimes. Oh my gosh, look at this Home Chef meal. Stuffed pork chops with bacon and Gouda. Oh my gosh, that sounds amazing. And I usually get a 96.4 lean ground beef. This is the one that I always find. It's pretty good. I am craving a shrimp cocktail, so I'm going to get me one. These pita breads are fantastic. I'm going to get me some of these. And I love making pizzas and wraps with these lavash breads. I love the Bolthouse Caesar and the chunky blue cheese. They're both 50 calories for 2 tablespoons. I'm going to do shredded iceberg lettuce and baby spinach for salads. Grape tomatoes for salads and wraps. And I have a watermelon craving, so I'm going to get a little thing of watermelon, I think. Hopefully it's good. And I've been craving some grapes, and I usually do low carb, but if I'm craving fruit, I'm not going to deprive myself. I'm going to have some. I ended up grabbing some sweet miniature apples. If you not have the rocket ones, you need to. They're so tiny and good. And I found some sweet grape jelly flavored grapes. Going to give those a try. And some sweet peppers. And I have a lot of frozen veggies in my freezer, so don't you worry. I'm going to have plenty of veg. And that'll do it for this trip.